Go.
No. My Marvel or DC?
DC.
Batman.
No.
Joker.
No.
Wonder Woman.
Describe yourself.
Got powers.
I'm like really
Hulk.
who?
Hulk.
Who?
The Hulk.
Hulk's Marvel.
Is it?
Yeah.
How am I meant to know?
Are you the Flash?
No.
The Green Lantern.
No.
Wonder Woman. It's Wonder Woman, isn't it?
I was one. He's got been White Knight.
What?
Got been White Knight. And I
Touch goods.
and I got in trouble. There is some like bit in the face.
Two-Face.
No, it's Wonder Woman.
No, Two-Face.
It's Wonder Woman. No, it's Wonder Woman. It's Wonder Woman, isn't it? Say it's Wonder Woman. It's Wonder Woman. There's Wasp. It's Wonder Woman. Well done.